the ooey gooey chicken Alfredo garlic bread. This one is one you have to try.
You're gonna love it, trust me. I tell you this right now. Money in the bank right here. She thinks that she came up with it. She thinks that she found it.
I don't think I came up with it, but I know.
I'm telling you, I perfected it and I made it better.
No.
That's all you need to know.
No.
Better than Betty. That's what it is. This is a Better Than Betty TikTok tested.
I'm teaching him and you guys how to make this.
Better Than Betty TikTok tested.
Oh, this one's gonna be fun.
Interesting. I literally haven't seen this, but I'm really excited about this.
You know I love stalking social media, and this one is very popular, and it's super easy, so let's make it. It's gonna start off with some chicken thighs. If you don't mind, CJ.
I can take care of the chicken thighs.
A little bit of oil.
A little oil.
A little Tuscan herb.
A little or a lot of Tuscan herb?
A lot.
Let's go a lot. Heavy on the Tuscan herb. This makes a really great crust, actually, on your chicken.
It sure does. Get that down onto the griddle and let it just...
Hang out. Okay, we're gonna let it hang out. How much butter do I do here?
Put that whole thing, if you don't mind.
Geez.
Get it out of that tub, into the bowl.
I'm gonna have to use my finger here, sorry. This is like a mound of butter. I love this though.
Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
I'm
gonna grate in this gigantic elephant garlic into
That is easily the largest garlic I've ever seen in my entire life.
It's the bigger the better, you know?
The bigger the better.
Now, to that we're gonna add some fresh chopped flat leaf Italian parsley.
I love it. Beautiful.
A little handful or two, if you don't mind.
Okay, let's do it.
Not at the same time, though.
Let's, come on,
Parmesan
just don't worry about it.
into here, give it a mix.
I'll drop it in. You can help me drop this in.
All right, give it a mix.
All right, whatever.
Mix this up, slide it aside. Now give our chicken a flip. Look how beautiful that looks.
Perfect crust, Betty. This could not be more beautiful.
Let it keep hanging out, doing its thing.
It's hanging.
We're going over to our ciabatta bake at home bread.
Oh, okay, that's what this is here. All right,
ciabatta bake at home. I'll take the lead and cut this
the pressure's on with you because I'm not going to screw up this bread. I'll let you screw this bread up.
All right, for that one, we're going to have to take a little bit of the bread out.
Oh, that's actually
I need a cavity. I kind of like that too, anyway.
All right, so now what do we got? Chicken. It's
We're letting
perfect.
this chicken dance on all sides just to make sure that it gets a good sear. Then we're going to pull this off.
But it looks perfect.
It does. It's ready to come off.
It does need a rest though, right?
It has to rest.
Okay,
Your meat has to rest before you cut into it. Okay, time to assemble. You got yours. I've got mine.
Yep.
We're going down with a schmear of our garlic butter.
A schmear.
A schmear.
I love a good schmear.
A little heavy on the schmear of garlic butter.
Of course,
a little bit thinner on our Alfredo schmear on top of that.
Well, are we going to do that on top as well? Or like post drizzle again? Or
Yeah, we're going to add more.
Okay, I love this.
Don't go too heavy yet.
Okay.
Then we're going to add some Parmesan cheese.
Oh, geez, the parm. Hey, what's up with this bag of mozz?
Well, you know.
I thought you were like the shred-it-yourself queen.
I am when I'm at home. And Sean can vouch for me behind the camera.
And yet we
when
can't
I'm in
vouch
Florida,
for it right now.
When I'm at CJ's house, we take shortcuts because that's how he cooks.
Yeah.
So I'm here to do it CJ's way.
Okay, I see what you... Oh, whatever.
Do you want to do a little overhit and bring it up?
Okay, we have a faulty bell. Faulty bell situation.
See? He's not always perfect.
I'm exhausted from all this cooking.
I know, but we're almost done, and I'm almost ready to go home. But first, I need you to
go
eat
home.
This.
You got.
No, eat this. So now back to our garlic bread, chicken Alfredo. Where did we leave off?
So
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan,
our mozzarella cheese.
Yeah.
Time to cut up this chicken.
So do we want like slices? Do we want like small little cubes, like medium?
Little bite-sized pieces, not too small, not too big. Onto my flatbread, onto yours. Assemble them however you want. Load them up or do them.
But we're gonna do perfect like you're doing. But I'm actually gonna take a couple of yours and put them on mine because you're hijacking my chicken and that's not fair.
You just like to try to
Whatever.
hijack
I'm not
my
messing
show.
with.
A little bit more Alfredo sauce.
Ooh.
A little more Parmesan cheese.
Ooh, and more mozz. Oh, I love this.
Yes, more mozz.
Just let's load it
up.
up.
A little post. Well, it's not a post.
It's not a post. It's a
we'll get there, though.
It's a midday dust.
Oh, I like that. Of our
say?
Tuscan herb, some flat leaf parsley. Now it's time to get these into the pizza oven.
I will grab the peel.
No,
or peels.
I will grab the peel.
I will grab the peel. Fine, you can have one.
I will do it.
Listen.
You
All right, allow me. I'll get it.
To the pizza oven.
All right, let's talk about our pizza oven. What kind of heat are we set at right here?
It's better not to go high heat and burn it.
Right. Low and slow is the winner here.
Low and slow is the game.
Dude, look at that cheesy, gooey deliciousness. This is insane. So we're like what, like 3 or 4 minutes? 5 minutes?
Maybe 5 minutes at the most.
Oh gosh.
I think it's done right about now.
Okay,
pull it out.
yeah, let's get this out and put it up here. So, but here's actually another pro tip, I think.
Let it
let it set
before slicing. Not only for the cheese, but that Alfredo sauce is gonna fall right off if you don't. We're gonna use our Blackstone Pizza rocker and rock this thing into little triangles.
It does rock as it cuts. This is looking insane. Yeah. So triangles, this is actually a really fun presentation. Doesn't change the flavor or taste of anything, but it looks elegant. You eat with your eyes first.
You do. Okay, now it's time to dig into these. Are you ready, CJ, for a bite? I think it's only right that before we take a bite, we ring it and bring it. If you don't know what that is, well, then you've got to watch CJ's
Nicole's going to
show.
ring it and bring it for us.
Come on, Nicole.
Come on, Nicole. Ring it and bring it. Yep. So that, whoa, slow down, sister. All right, here we go.
Cheers.
Let's do this.
I can't wait to eat this.
So obviously I'm going for my side because I made this one better than yours.
They're all the same ingredients.
That's true. All right, cheers. Oh, no.
You like that?
Andy, come here.
Andy, Jeremy.
Get over here. Nicole, Belle.
Hi, Belle, get in here.
This is seriously bananas. Super simple, too. You could make a ton of this. Just double up on the chicken thighs, grab some more bread.
I'm happy.
Good Lord.
I know. I told you were going to love this.
This is so good.
You're welcome, Andy.
I love feeding people. You guys have to try this one at home. You know my rule. What's my rule? Take a picture, post it. We love seeing it.
Tag
These
CJ.
girls
Don't
love
worry about
reposting it for you. So make sure, whatever you're making, tag us. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, here in Plant City, Florida, with all of the pros. I cannot, and Andy.
And our social team.
And
Nicole, ring it and bring it for that one. We're ringing it out of here.
And Sean the camera guy. We'll see you next time in the next video.
Cheers.